Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, January 29th. Well, you can see in these stock indices, especially the Nasdaq, we made new highs. We did get follow through. We had some positive economics coming out on Friday. Our GDP was down a bit to 2.65% for the fourth quarter, but we still have very positive fundamentals driving our stock market, and I just don't see a reason for that changing anytime soon. Wouldn't be surprised to see that, but right now I'd want to be on the long side of these markets. Now, the Nasdaq market, I'm looking for unchanged to higher on Monday, about 25 to 30% of today's range. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at those currencies. And you can see here in the euro, it made another attempt at new highs. It's not really sure what to do in terms of some of the comments that came out this past week. And what we're looking for in this market, this says a down move for Monday, but I'm looking for an inside type day, not a dramatic move up or down. The bias is for a move lower. If we take a look at also what's going on with interest rates, let's get those up here. That's metals. Here we go. There's interest rates. And if you look at the 10-year notes, a nice move to the downside. I do look for further movement, about half of the range that you're seeing here. So we're looking for a down day on Monday. And in gold. Gold's also going through a period of where it's not sure really what to do. I think it's very orderly right now. This inside day does make sense. I'm looking for more of the same when it comes to Monday's action. Now, copper, on the other hand, traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is $1,000 a contract. And here, I do look for follow through to the upside. Fundamentals are strong. Demand is there. Supplies are not tight, but they are coming down. And I do look for long-term bullish movement in the copper market. In crude oil, we traded below its bearish level, and the magnitude change here is $600 a contract. I'm looking for follow through to the upside. That weaker dollar will keep some upward pressure here on the crude oil market. And in soybeans, it traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in that market, $750 a contract. And I do look for follow through to the downside, about 3 to 4 cents on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. In the meantime, take care.